Most investors love rental projections. They look great on spreadsheets, deck slides, and deal analyses. But here's the truth. Projections only matter when they're grounded in reality. And if you don't use rental projections properly, you'll overpay, miscalculate DSCR, or walk into a deal with fake optimism. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use rental projections the right way, what to include, what to ignore, and how lenders actually view projected rent. Let's start with the biggest mistake, treating projections like guaranteed income. They are not. Projections are a forecast. They show potential, but lenders fund real numbers, not imagined ones. Here's a real example. An investor brought a DSCR deal with a projected rent of $2,500. The actual lease was $1,900. The 2007 market rent came in at $2,000. Which did the lender use? The lower values. Projections didn't matter. Documentation did. And the data backs this up. A 2024 CoreLogic rental study found that over 65% of investor spreadsheets overstated rent by 15 to 30%. Investors who rely on inflated projections take on more risk and face tougher underwriting outcomes. So here's how to use rental projections properly. Rule 1. Use projections only for deal screening, not underwriting. Projection equals early stage. Proof equals underwriting stage. Use projected rent to see if a deal is worth pursuing, but don't expect lenders to use it for DSCR. Rule 2. Base projections on real comps. Used. Recently leased units, similar property type, same bedroom count, same condition, same school district, same neighborhood tier. Avoid using active listings. They are often overpriced. Rule 3. Always run two scenarios. Optimistic scenario. Top of market rent. Conservative scenario. Appraiser level rent. If the deal only works with the optimistic scenario, walk away. Rule 4. Understand how lenders use projected rent. Lenders will use one of these. Actual signed leased market rent from the 2007 verified rent roll for multis. They never use projection-only spreadsheets. Rule 5. Adjust projections for vacancy and expenses. Smart investors include 5% vacancy, 5 to 10% repairs, capex allocation, insurance and tax increases, projections without expenses or lies. Rule 6. For short-term rentals, run 3 projections. Low season, mid-season, peak season, AirDNA and all the rooms help, but always verify with local operators. Rule 7. Stress test DSCR. Lower the projected rent by 10 to 20%, raise taxes, raise insurance, add a reserve buffer. If DSCR still works, the deal is solid. Here's your payoff. Rental projections are a tool, not a truth. Use them smarter, back them with comps, adjust for expenses, and always verify with lenders. When used correctly, projections don't just help you spot good deals, they help you avoid bad ones. Educational content only. Not financial advice.